Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss a set based on arrangement. This is a not so difficult set, but it is a bit difficult due to the number of cases that we need to make in this particular question. Let's start with the question itself. 9 boxes are kept one above the other in the stack. Each box contains a different layer of cakes. Box B is kept above box H. So let me do one thing. I will note the information राइट अवे जो भी हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है उसे हाथों हाथ हम नोट करते रहते हैं. फर्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन इज box B is kept above box H. Now are there some box in between them or not? हमें ये नहीं पता है कि B और H के बीच में there are certain number of boxes or not. So what I will do is B and I will write a dot over here. This dot represents कि there might be some boxes in between B and H. Fine, we don't have any idea about them. 3 boxes, so this is the first information. Now second is 3 boxes are kept between box R and the box which contains mango cheese. The second information is there are 3 boxes between the box that contains box R and the box that contains mango cheese. Now I'm using the initials. Now see, हमें ये पता है कि there are 3 boxes in between R and the one which contains mango cheese. But then हमको ये नहीं कह सकते कि mango cheese ऊपर है या R ऊपर है. So we need to consider both the cases. R भी ऊपर हो सकता है and mango cheese वाला box भी ऊपर हो सकता है. Next information is as many boxes kept above F is same as below P. F के ऊपर जितने boxes हैं, let it be X. तो P के नीचे भी कितने boxes हैं? X ही होंगे. This is the third information. Next information is 3 boxes are kept between G and the one which contains blueberry cheese. This is the fourth information. There are 3 boxes between G and the box which contains blueberry cheese. But again, we don't have any idea whether G is above this blackberry cheese box or this box is above G. So I will again make both the cases. Fine. Next information is box F and P are not kept immediately above or immediately below G. F and P are not kept immediately above G. And they are not kept immediately below G as well. तो इसको इस तरह से हमने नोट कर लिया है यहाँ पे. Fine. Condition number 6. यहाँ तक हमने कर लिया था. As many boxes kept above B is same as kept below S. B के ऊपर जितने भी boxes हैं, let it be Y, उतने ही S के नीचे हैं. So this is our 6th condition. As many boxes kept above R is same as those below R. Now see. R के ऊपर जितने हैं उतने ही नीचे हैं. So R must be in the middle then. So R must come at position number 5. That is for sure. ये information वो है जो हम directly fill कर सकते हैं. We are definite about it. R must come at position number 5 only. Fine. तभी तो उनके ऊपर जितने boxes हैं उतने ही उनके नीचे. Okay. Box R does not contains choco walnut. यहाँ पर choco walnut नहीं आ सकता है. मैं लिख के cancel कर देता हूँ. 2 boxes are kept between box H and the box which contains flower fiesta. So there are 2 boxes between H and the one which contains flower fiesta. But again, we don't have any idea whether flower fiesta wala box is above H or H is above the box which contains flower fiesta. So I am considering both the cases. Fine. Box M is kept below H. M is kept below H. So M is below H. Fine. The box which contains custard apple is kept immediately above M. Now custard apple wala box is immediately above M. Now we don't have any idea whether there are any number of boxes in between H and M. So मैंने यहाँ पर भी dot लगा दिया है कि यहाँ पर कुछ boxes हो भी सकते हैं नहीं भी हो सकते. We don't have any idea about that. 3 boxes are kept between box K and the box which contains choco walnut. So next information is we have 3 boxes between K and the one which contains choco walnut. So again 2 cases will be there. हमें नहीं पता है कि ऊपर है या उनके नीचे हैं. Fine. Box F is kept immediately below the box which contains mango cheese. Now F is kept immediately below the box which contains mango cheese. So F यहाँ पर आएंगे just below the one which contains mango cheese. Only one box is kept between S and the one which contains red velvet. So this is information number 9. Let me note it down here. S और red velvet के बीच में there is only one box. So ये 2 केसेस हो जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट The box which contains Choco Raspberry is above the box which contains Ferrero Rocher. Now see, यहाँ पर भी डॉट आएगा, हमें नहीं पता immediately above है या नहीं, but it is below the box that contains blackcurrant. So this is one of the condition. So ये conditions हैं, बहुत सारी conditions हैं इनफैक्ट, इन्हें यूज करके we need to complete the arrangement. Now I will request all of you to pause the video over here और एक बार आप खुद ट्राई करिए, सारी कंडीशंस आपके सामने हैं, एक बार इनको किस तरह से अरेंज कर सकते हैं आप ट्राई करें. फाइन. Okay, so let's start with the solution of this video, of this particular question. So see, अब हमने जो fill किया है वो केवल R fill किया है, तो let us try to use the information that is dependent on R. Now second information is the one, there are three boxes between R and the box which contains mango cheese. So 1, 2, 3, either mango cheese will come here or 1, 2, 3 mango cheese will come over here. But see, box F is just below the box that contains mango cheese. तो मैंगो चीज हम नीचे प्लेस ही नहीं कर सकते, राइट, क्योंकि जस्ट उसके नीचे बॉक्स एफ इज देयर. सो नाउ फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन से दैट मैंगो चीज फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे ही आएगा एंड एफ मस्ट कम ऑन पोजीशन नंबर सेकंड ओनली. फाइन. तो बेसिकली वी हैव यूज्ड दिस इन पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन. जो सेकंड इंफॉर्मेशन है उसका हमने यूज कर लिया है. सेकंड इंफॉर्मेशन क्या थी कि देयर आर थ्री बॉक्सेस बिटवीन आर एंड द वन व्हिच कंटेन्स मैंगो चीज एंड एफ इज जस्ट इमीडिएटली बिलो मैंगो चीज बॉक्स. तो वो हम दोनों ने यूज कर लिया. तो लेट मी रिमूव दिस कंडीशन. जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं उसे मैं हटा देता हूं. दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड. फाइन. ओके, नाउ फर्दर अब कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन है जो हमें यूज करनी चाहिए, तो लेट अस चेक फॉर दैट. नाउ सी, एफ के ऊपर जितने बॉक्सेस हैं द सेम नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस आर बिलो पी. तो एफ इज एट पोजीशन नंबर 2. एफ के ऊपर देयर इज वन बॉक्स ओनली, तो पी के नीचे देयर मस्ट बी वन बॉक्स ओनली. So P must come at position number 8. Now we have used this particular condition as well. ये भी हमने यूज कर लिया है. Fine. Now further अभी हम देखेंगे, अब हमारे पास we have filled 3 boxes. तो इन तीनों से related जो information है, let us try to find those out first. Okay. Now see, G जो है वो F और P के ऊपर भी नहीं आ सकते हैं and नीचे भी नहीं हो सकते हैं. तो G cannot come at this position, G cannot come at this position because F यहाँ पर है, तो ना ही उनके ऊपर ना ही उनके नीचे G हो सकते हैं. For the same reason 7 और 9 पर भी G नहीं आ सकते हैं. So now we have two cases. G can come at either position number 4 or 6. So let me make two different cases for the same. R is at this position. Let us assume in this particular case that G is at position number 6 and in this case G is at position number 4. हमने दोनों केस assume कर लिए. Fine. So basically we have used this information as well. ठीक है, इसको भी हम रिमूव कर देते हैं यहाँ से. Okay, now further. Now let us check for the information which is related to G. So there are 3 boxes in between the box G and the one which contains blueberry cheese. So G is here, so 1, 2, 3 ऊपर blueberry cheese, but यहाँ पर option ही available नहीं है. Fine. So 1, 2, 3 and here it must be blueberry cheese then. Fine. इस particular case की बात करते हैं, so we don't have any option. नीचे की side we don't have any option. Fine, because there are 3 boxes in between the box which contains blueberry cheese and G. तो G यहाँ पर है, तो 3 के बाद we don't have any position available. तो ऊपर आएगा, तो 1, 2, 3. So here it must be blueberry cheese. So now we have used this fourth information as well. इसे भी हम यहाँ से remove कर देते हैं. Okay. अभी भी काफी इसको conditions बची हैं जिनको यूज करना बचा हुआ है. Now see, जो भी फिल कर चुके हैं उनसे रिलेटेड जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन थी वो हमने सारी यूज कर ली है. फाइन. नाउ वी हैव इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू बी, रिलेटेड टू बी अगेन, रिलेटेड टू एच, रिलेटेड टू के, बट उनमें से कोई सा भी हम अभी तक फिल नहीं कर पाएंगे. रिलेटेड टू एस एज वेल. नाउ सी व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस विद बी. बी यहाँ पर आता है, so we have one condition, this condition number 6, the number of boxes above B is same as the number of boxes below S. Now suppose B comes at this particular position. Now let me use some different color pen for this. Okay, so I am assuming B can come over here. फिर S कहाँ पर आ जाएंगे, यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे. Fine. So B can come at position number 1. This is one of the possibility. Now B, if B comes at position number 3, तो B के ऊपर there are 2 boxes. So S के नीचे there must be 2 boxes. Then S can come at position number 7. So B can come at position number 3 as well. फाइन. यहाँ पर भी आप देखेंगे B यहाँ पे आएगा तो S यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे. B comes here तो S will come over here. Now see, here we don't have any option for places 2, 4 and 5. Those are already filled. यदि हम B को 6 पे रखते हैं, तो there are 5 boxes above B. तो S के नीचे भी 5 होने चाहिए. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it must be S. पर यहाँ पर पहले से ही G है. तो we cannot come at position number 6. Fine. तो इस तरह से हमें यहाँ पे जब हम चेक किया तो हमें पता चला कि B के पास there are 2 options only. In fact, if we place, let me remove this first. Okay, so if we place B at this particular position, position number 6, 6 we have already checked. Let us try to place B at position number 7. तो B को यदि हमने 7 पे place किया, तो see B के नीचे we have H, we have custard apple, we have M. तो यहाँ पर इतनी positions available नहीं है. So we cannot place B at position number 7, and for the same reason we cannot place B at position number 9 as well. So the options with B are position number 1 or position number 3. So let me do one thing. ये जो दो केसेस हैं, इन दोनों में ही एक बार B को पोजीशन नंबर 1 पे प्लेस करके देख लेते हैं और एक बार B को पोजीशन नंबर 3 पे हम प्लेस कर लेते हैं. So let me make a replica of this first case. So first and 3, F, MC is here, G, R, 5th पे CW नहीं आ सकता है, 8 is P, and this is BBC, blueberry cheese. Fine. So in this particular case, I am putting B at position number 1 और यहाँ पर हम B को रख देते हैं position number 3 पे. और जो second case है उसका replica हम fourth case बनाते हैं जिसमें B के पास दो option होंगे. So here it is mango cheese, blueberry cheese. It is F, then R and then G. इसमें हम एक बार B को first position पे रख लेते हैं. तो G will come at which sorry, S will come at which position? 9th position. यहाँ पर भी B first पे है तो S will come at 9. यहाँ पर B third पे है तो S will come at 7. 2 above B, 2 below S. यहाँ पर भी let us keep B at position number 3. So S will come at position number 7. So now we have 4 cases. अभी हमारे पास 4 cases हैं. इनमें से correct कौन सा है that we need to find out. So for that दूसरी जो information है वो हम use करने की कोशिश करते हैं. हमने कौन-कौन सी information use कर ली है? Let me remove that first. ये वाली इंफॉर्मेशन हमने यूज कर ली है. द नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस अबव बी इज सेम एज दोस बिलो एस. ये हमने यूज कर लिया है. बी फर्स्ट और थर्ड पे आ सकता है. दिस आल्सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड. ओके, तो यही कंडीशन यूज की है. एक एस वाली जो डायरेक्ट कंडीशन है, नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू यूज दैट. एस, देयर इज अ गैप ऑफ वन बॉक्स बिटवीन एस एंड द बॉक्स व्हिच कंटेन्स रेड वेलवेट. So here it must be red velvet S, and here it must be red velvet. Now see, here we have got multiple option. Red velvet ऊपर भी आ सकता है और नीचे भी आ सकता है और यहाँ पर भी we have got multiple option. तो एक बार थर्ड और फोर्थ केस में इसको फिल नहीं करते. Now let us try to check for the other information जो हम use कर सकते हैं. So below B is H. Now see, we have 2 options for H. H can come over here. ठीक है, H यहाँ पर आता है तो we can have, अच्छा, H से related information is there are 2 boxes. Let me use some different pen for the conditions that I am using. Let me use some different pen for this. So suppose I place H over here. Now I have got a condition on H कि H के और Flower Fiesta के बीच में there are 2 boxes. So ऊपर we don't have 2 places available. So here it must be Flower Fiesta then. और यहाँ पर Flower Fiesta होता है. So we need to place M also now. M box is below H. तो M must come over here then, क्योंकि M को हम यहाँ रखेंगे तो उसके जस्ट अबव कस्टर्ड एप्पल होना चाहिए था, बट हियर इट इज फ्लावर फिएस्टा. तो M को हम यहाँ प्लेस करते हैं तो हियर इट मस्ट बी कस्टर्ड एप्पल देन. फाइन, तो यहाँ पे कस्टर्ड एप्पल आ गया एंड यहाँ पे फ्लावर फिएस्टा आ गया. उसके बाद वी हैव ओनली वन ऑप्शन लेफ्ट फॉर K. तो K को यहाँ प्लेस करते हैं एंड द कंडीशन फॉर K नाउ इज वी हैव 3 बॉक्सेस in between K and the one which contains choco walnut. So K we have over here 1, 2, 3 and here it must be choco walnut then. Fine. So let us focus on this particular case only. एक बार इसी पे पूरा complete करते हैं. तो it is custard apple, flower fiesta, ये हमने fill कर दिया है. Now we have one more. We have how many? 1, 2 and 3 position left, and we have this condition left. Black currant, then it is CR, choco raspberry, and then it is FR, Ferrero Rocher. So in this way, this particular set is complete and all the conditions are satisfied in case number 1. Fine, but we need to check for the conditions in case number 2, 3 and 4 as well. तो एक बार चेक करते हैं. So suppose I keep H over here. Fine. Then the condition is there are two boxes between H and the one which contains flower fiesta. So 1, 2, here it must be flower fiesta. Now we cannot have M over here. क्यों नहीं हो सकता? क्योंकि M के just above is the box which contains custard apple and here it is flower fiesta. We cannot have M over here as well for the same reason. तो M को हम यहाँ place करते हैं and then it must be custard apple. Might be possible. हो सकता है कि जो H बॉक्स हो उसमें ही कस्टर्ड एप्पल हो. ये कहीं मेंशन नहीं था कि H पे कस्टर्ड एप्पल नहीं हो सकता. फाइन. फर्दर जो बाकी इंफॉर्मेशन है, लेट अस ट्राई टू यूज दैट. नाउ द बॉक्सेस दैट आर लेफ्ट आर आई थिंक K, है ना? सो लेट अस ट्राई टू प्लेस K फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. तो K को हम यदि पोजीशन नंबर 7 पे प्लेस करते हैं तो देयर आर 3 बॉक्सेस बिटवीन K एंड द वन व्हिच कंटेन्स चोको वॉलनट. 1, 2, 3. Here it must be choco walnut, but here it is custard apple. So there is a contradiction. So now we can say that this case was wrong. We need not to consider this anymore. Fine. Now let us move to case number 3. Now after below we need to have H and M. So we have only one position available for H and for M. ठीक है, इस तरह से इनको प्लेस किया तो K must then come over here. Now there are 3 boxes between K and the one that contains choco walnut. So 1, 2, 3, here it must be choco walnut, but it was a condition that box R does not contains choco walnut. Fine. ये हमारी condition थी. Let me check it out. कहाँ पर था? There are boxes. Box R does not contains choco walnut. So it was a condition. तो वो condition contradict होगी. So we can say that case 3 is also wrong. Now let us move to the last case that we need to check for. Now we are left with H and M. ठीक है. Now see, suppose I place H over here. ठीक है. So we have H and after 2 places there must be flower fiesta. तो ऊपर तो नहीं हो सकता है because there is already mango cheese. So 1, 2, here it must be flower fiesta. Flower fiesta यहाँ पर है. So now we cannot have M over here because M के just above is custard apple. So M will come over here and here it is custard apple. Now K के लिए एक ही ऑप्शन बचा है. Now K and 1, 2, 3 के गैप में we have choco walnut. So choco walnut. No, so sorry, we have 2 options still for K. K फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे भी आ सकता है. Okay, तो इसको चेक करते हैं अभी. Then we have S and RV. Custard apple. This condition we have already used. ये condition भी use कर लिए. Now we have 2 options for K. Now we cannot place K at first position. Reason being K को first पे place करते हैं तो fifth position पे चोको वॉलनट आ जाएगा, which is not possible, है ना? तो यहाँ पर K को फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे नहीं रख सकते हैं, तो K must come at this position only, and if K comes at position number 8, then choco walnut must come at 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पर choco walnut आना चाहिए. Fine. Now I think which box is left? B we have already filled, F already filled, H, G, R already filled. I think P is left. So we have this position left for P. Now again this is not possible because the number of boxes above B is same as the sorry. There was a condition for P. Let me check for that also. B, as many boxes kept above F is same as below P. F के ऊपर जितने थे उतने ही P के नीचे होने चाहिए थे. तो P in this particular case must come over here only. P के पास क्या ऑप्शन है? P को यहीं आना पड़ेगा. F के ऊपर there is one box, so P के नीचे there must be one box. Fine. तो K must come over here only. और K यहाँ आता है तो choco walnut यहाँ आ जाएगा. Again there is a contradiction. So हमने सारे cases check कर लिए हैं. And now we can conclude that this is the correct solution. So let me remove all this. Case first is the only case which is correct. Fine. And we will answer all the question based on that particular case only. So let me remove all this. Okay, so this was not a difficult question actually, but this was a lengthy one, you can say, क्योंकि थोड़ा हमें cases पे बना के check करना पड़ रहा था. So now let us move to the question part and try to answer the question. So first question is, what is the position of K from the top? So position of K from the top is 7. Which of the following statement is true? Box R is kept below the box which contains blueberry cheese. R below blueberry cheese? No, blueberry cheese यहाँ पर है और आर से ऊपर है, तो this is wrong. As many boxes are kept above H as below M. H के above we have 2 boxes and below M we have 3 boxes, so this is also wrong. More than 3 boxes are kept between box G and the one which contains black currant. So black currant and G. No, there is only one box, so this is also wrong. Less than 2 boxes are kept between BM and red velvet. So M is here and red velvet is here. So there is 0 number of boxes, so less than 2 is correct. So the correct answer is option D. ठीक है, ये 2 क्वेश्चन हमने सॉल्व किए. Let's move to the remaining 2-3 questions जो भी हैं. Further, how many boxes are kept between M and black currant? M and black currant. So we have 1, 2, and 3 boxes in between them. If box B is related to custard apple, now see B and custard apple. So B is at position number 1 and custard apple at position number 5. So there are 3 boxes in between them. B and custard apple के बीच में there are 3 boxes. G is related to blueberry cheese. G and blueberry cheese. Now let us check for this relation. So G is at position number 4 and blueberry cheese at 8. So again there are 3 boxes. So this is the relation that we are looking for. So box I is related to which of the box then? So I, sorry, this is not I, this is H actually. The box H is related to which of the following flavors? H, or 1, 2, 3, so it must be red velvet. So the correct answer is option C. What is the position of box B with respect to H? H, first and second to the above. So option A is the correct one. So this was a decent question. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you so much.